you guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead and head into Target to check out the deals that Target has to offer. So let's just go ahead and get into it. And I want to go ahead and bring back the question of the video. So I was listening to the radio and a song from the Back to the Future soundtrack came on. So I want to know what your favorite movie soundtrack is. Now, you guys know I love The Karate Kid, but my favorite all-time movie soundtrack has to be from the movie Drive. That soundtrack is amazing. So I want to know what your favorite movie soundtrack is in the comment section below. Okay, so I'm currently in the shoe department, and there is a 20% off Cartwheel to take 20% off of shoes for the whole entire family, but this does exclude clearance, guys. So you can't use this Cartwheel on clearance items. This is valid through September 22nd, so head to Target, and this is for shoes for the whole entire family. So it's not just men and women's, it's the whole entire family. So great deal if you need some shoes. Okay, so we have an amazing deal in the baby section. So when you spend $100 or more in wipes, diapers, training pants, formula, baby food, and bottles, you're going to get a free $20 Target gift card. So this is great. So there's so many scenarios you can do, but I think the best bang for your buck is going with the Up & Up brand diapers. So the giant packs have 176 diapers, and they are priced for $21.99. You want to go ahead and buy 5 of the boxes for $109.95, and then you're going to get that free $20 Target gift card, making them $89.95 for 5 or $17.99 each. Now this is a fantastic deal, and this deal you can go ahead and take advantage of online. So if you like to, just do your purchases online, you could go ahead and buy 5 online, and then you're going to get a $20 Target gift card in your checkout. Now, there are other diapers that you can do. We still have that printable $5 coupon for the, the Baby Organics. So we still have those $5 off one printable coupons. There's also a coupon inside your Target Cartwheel, but you're going to get less diapers. So yeah, here's the printable $5 off coupon. I printed it so I could just, leave it for someone else, but there are significantly less diapers in that versus the Up & Up. So if your kids are not picky when it comes to diapers, I would definitely opt for Up & Up, even though you have a coupon, because the Baby Organics diapers are $25.99, and then the giant packs are $21.99. So you get more diapers if you go Up & Up route. Okay, so you can also do this promo on infant formula. So if you want to go Up & Up brand, they are $19.99, but if you want to go ahead and do Infamil, the Infamil is priced for $27.99, and we have those printable $250 off one coupons from coupons.com. Now that's a limit of one coupon, but there's also a coupon inside your Target Cartwheel. So you can go ahead and buy 2 of them and then save $5 off in coupons, but just make sure you get enough. You could do a mix and match deal with formula and diapers, whatever you want to do. And then there's also a, I think there's an Ibotta rebate for the Infamil Gentlies. You can get $6.25 back when you buy 2. And then there's also a 3 off 1 for the Similac Pro Series value size. So this coupon is currently on coupons.com as well. So I'm loving that there are formula coupons, because formula coupons are so incredibly rare, you guys. So this is great. And if you have rebate checks, you can go ahead and use that. One of you guys asked me about rebate checks in my CVS video. The rebate checks are sent from the companies. So Infamil company, Similac company, just sign up on their website and you'll get those mailed to you. I'm not sure about EBT checks, I don't know, but I might go ahead and research that, because that might be something that is good to know. So I'm going to go ahead and research EBT and let you guys know, because I'm pretty sure if you have EBT benefits, you can take advantage of the gift card promos. I don't know. I'm going to ask my store manager, and I'm going to research EBT, because that's something I just don't know. Okay, so there's a nice little deal on these Plum Organic food pouches. So first of all, it's included in that spend 100 get $20 gift card. But the Plum Organics, these guys are priced for $1.19. So you go ahead and buy 2 of them for $2.38. And Fetch Rewards has a $2 bonus when you buy 2. So after you submit to Fetch Rewards, it makes it 38 cents for the 2 of them. So that's a great deal. And if you don't know about Fetch, I'll have a video explaining it, as well as the referral code, because when you use my referral code, then you get bonus points as well. So this is a really easy, cheap deal to take advantage of. So awesome. And if you want to try to get your kids to eat some vegetables, this might be the way to go. Scarlett will not eat physical vegetables. I don't know what her deal is, but she won't do it, but she'll eat the pouches. So if I can get the pouches down, then it's a good day. Okay, so I'm inside the electronics section, and I didn't want to be a weirdo and film right by the TVs, but all of the big screen TVs, all the TVs in Target, there's a 10% Target Cartwheel that you can use, and then you're going to get an additional 5% off with your Target Red card. So if you need to replace your TV, maybe your hubby needs a new TV for football season. Okay, so I'm currently inside the Halloween section, so they have all of the Halloween candy set out. I'm going to tell you guys, hold off on buying this because a lot of times, the past like 3 years that I can remember, Target has released a Cartwheel offer to take 40% off of costumes as well as the giant bags of candy. So I would hold off. Usually it hits around the end of September, usually like the last week of September. So just hold off because there's going to be tons of great there's going to be great Cartwheels to come about. They're not going to release high Cartwheels when they first put it out because they want you to see it in the aisles now and get you excited and to buy it now. But wait for that Cartwheel because the past 3 years, if you guys have been following Target's sales cycle, usually they will put out a significantly high value Target Cartwheel. So just hold off. Okay, you guys, I know it's tempting to go ahead and buy all of this fall decor, but wait, because it's going to get clearance to ridiculously low. So do not buy your stuff at full price. And speaking of full price, I got this same exact pumpkin costume last year when I was pregnant with Tanner, and I bought it and saved it, and I think I paid like $3 for it. But right now, if you were to buy it right now, it would be $20. Okay, you guys, so the same deal is running for the Del Monte fruit and oats. So you can get these for 50 cents after cashback and coupons. So I'll leave that video linked below if you want to see the specific breakdown, but it's a repeat from last week. Okay, guys, so there's a deal on Pepsi brand products. You can do this on Pepsi sodas. You can do it on Tostitos chips, Aquafina water. There's tons of things that are included. But when you spend $20 or more, you'll get a $5 Target gift card. Text Pepsi to 827438. The 12 packs of Pepsi are 4 for $12. I think the chips are 2 for $5. The 8-pack bottles of soda are 4 for $12. So if you need to stock up, do it. But sometimes Target runs a spend 15 get 5. So it's an okay deal, but you're spending $5 more than normally. So I don't know if this is just a change in their sales cycle and they're going to up the amount you need to spend going forward. But always submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards when you purchase Pepsi brands because you get bonus points with Fetch Rewards when you buy their specific brand items. So if you need to stock up on soda, this isn't a bad time to do it. Okay, so another repeat deal on the Planters Crunchers. So these guys are 2 for $5 again. There is an Ibotta cashback. There's a 2 off 2 coupon for Planters. So final cost is going to be 50 cents after cashback and coupon. I'll have my video linked below from last week explaining the deal more thoroughly, but this is just a repeater, so there's still time to take advantage of this. Okay, so we have a few different K-Cup deals and coffee deals here at Target. So the first one's going to be on select K-Cups. So okay, so when you buy 3 boxes of these Starbucks K-Cups, they're going to be $9.99 each. So basically you save $2 when you buy 3 boxes. And we have printable $1.50 off 1 coupons. Looks like you can only use one of the printable coupons because it says limit 1 coupon per person. But check Target Cartwheel, they might have a coupon as well. Or you can opt for the 1850 K-Cups by Folgers. So the 1850 K-Cups are $8.99 and there is a printable $1.50 off 1 coupon that you can go ahead and use. Also the Donut Shop K-Cups, these are $8.99 when you buy 2, so you don't have to buy 3, you just need to buy 2. So $8.99 when you buy 2. And also the Green Mountain K-Cups are also included in this, $8.99 when you buy 2. So there was also an insert coupon from last week that you can go ahead and pair up with this K-Cup deal. Okay, so also the bagged 1850 coffee is priced for $5.99 again, and we have that $1.50 off 1 coupon, so that's going to make it $4.59. Yeah, let's see. So it's going to make it $4.49, so not a bad deal for some bagged coffee. So I think the Starbucks bag coffee is actually a really good value. So when you buy 3, they're going to be $5.99 each. So you save $2 when you buy 3. And I think that's a really good price for Starbucks coffee. So you get them $5.99 each when you buy 3 of them. So that's a pretty good deal. And I always tell you guys, always submit your Starbucks rewards because that's how you're going to earn free drinks. All right, you guys, there's still clearance everywhere. So I'm seeing select bedding for 50% off. So this King comforter is now down to $39.98. It is 50% off currently. So a really great deal on that, guys. So just look around your clearance. My back to school section is still 30 to 50. So there's clearance everywhere. Just don't come to Target in a rush. Come to Target when you have enough time to look at everything. Okay, so there is another 20% Target Cartwheel to take 20% off of all cereal. So this is going to even work on the Market Pantry this week. So I think it might be a better value to go ahead and get the Market Pantry brand versus some of the name brands. Now we have tons of coupons for cereal, but I think that your better bang for your buck would be to go to Market Pantry. Okay, so another Target Cartwheel, 20% off of pizzas for all the way through September 22nd. So this is awesome deal. Definitely hit up Market Pantry because that's going to make for the pizzas to be really cheap. Or the Archer Farms is $4.99 that you could take 20% off. I'm actually not seeing, okay, so the Market Pantry pizzas, these guys are $2.92. So then you could take an additional 20% off. So it makes for really cheap pizza. Okay, so there is a deal on the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. So I think it's a 1-pack, it's $1.99, and there's a $1 coupon you could send to Cartwheel, so that'd make it 99 cents, but my store doesn't have it. So I'm gonna go with the 2-pack. It's $2.79, and with that $1 coupon, it makes it $1.79 for the both of them. So it makes it less than $1 for each magic eraser, which is great. So if you have kiddos and they like to color on the wall, this is what you need. So make sure you load that coupon into your Cartwheel and take $1 off. Okay, so this next one is an actual freebie. So the Febreze plug oil warmer, this is priced for $2.99, and there is a $3 one-time use coupon you could use from Cartwheel, so that makes this guy completely free. Now if you wanted to go with like the multi-pack that actually comes with the oil warmers, this is $7.39, $3 off, makes it $4.39. Okay, so nice promotion on the Method and Mrs. Meyer's. So these guys are buy one and get the second 20% off. So you can buy one for $5.99, second one 20% off. Okay, so you can go ahead and do the Method bathroom cleaner. This is priced for $3.99, get the second one 20% off. There's some as low as $2.99, or this would be a time that you could hit up the Mrs. Meyer's sprays. I absolutely love them. And I will let you guys know my opinion of the pumpkin. I actually really like the Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin. A lot of people have been saying they don't like it very much, but I actually really like it. So on cold sniff, no joke, it kind of smells like curry, but after you spray it and let it sit for a little bit, it has like a very woodsy, slight pumpkin scent to it. So it smells more like wood. Yeah, more like wood, so very outdoorsy. So if you like those types of scents, then I think you should try the pumpkin. The apple is good too, but I think it's a little too sweet in my opinion. I actually really like the pumpkin, so I would suggest you try the pumpkin. Don't trust the cold sniff of the pumpkin. Definitely let it sit for a little bit, and it's actually really good. And something else that I would absolutely recommend is the Mrs. Meyer's scented soy candles. Now these will fragrant my bedroom just as good as the Bath & Body Works 3-wick candles, and this is only a 1-wick jarred candle, and it smells amazing. Okay, so if you're in the market for new cookware, the Ritual 14-piece set, this is on sale for $99.99, and then you save an additional 5% with your Target Red Card, and this is the Black Friday price. The past 2 years, I checked my ads from the past 2 years. This has been the Black Friday price. So if you're in the market and you've been waiting for Black Friday, you could go today, go to Target and get it for the same price. And you can do this online, you can get it shipped free, and you can save 5% with your Target Red Card. Okay, so another really great deal is on the KitchenAid mixers. This is on sale for $70 off, and you can get an additional 5% with your Target Red Card. So it's on sale for $279.99. Regular price is $349.99. So if you need a mixer, if you know someone getting married, this is a great deal. Okay guys, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will cluck to you later.